So November is the National Impotency Awareness Month. In my previous video, I talked about what is impotency and what is erectile dysfunction. Today I'll talk about 7 things you can do to prevent or improve the symptoms of erectile dysfunction or impotency. First is diet. Eat heart-healthy diet to improve your overall blood flow. Second is exercise. Maintain healthy weight and improve lean muscle mass to boost your testosterone. Testosterone is the key hormone in improving the symptoms of erectile dysfunction and impotency. Third is stress. Improving the stress can lower your cortisol level, which in turn improves the symptoms of impotency. Fourth is excessive alcohol use and smoking. Cut down on alcohol and quit smoking. Just doing these 2 simple things can improve your overall symptoms of erectile dysfunction by improving your cardiovascular health and blood flow. Fifth is mental health. Improve the symptoms of anxiety, depression, and even the relationship issue. You can meditate, exercise regularly. This will improve your overall blood flow and lower your stress hormone to improve the symptoms of erectile dysfunction. Sixth is hormone. Make sure you check your hormones and vitamins on regular basis. Get your physical, because if your hormones are not optimized, you may suffer from impotency or erectile dysfunction. And the 7th is, if everything is not helping, seek medical help. There are so many excellent medication to improve your overall symptoms of erectile dysfunction and impotency. So if you are suffering from it, talk to your medical provider. Feel confident about discussing your symptoms in detail and make sure you address it with your primary care. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something about optimizing your overall health. Talk to your medical provider before starting any treatment. Let us know what other topics you want me to cover. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe for more videos.